Howard Schneider, Reuters. Thanks, Chair Powell, for taking this. I don't want to miss the moment here, and I noticed that in the statement you dropped the language saying that the pandemic is weighing on the economy. So, is this the effective end, in your view, of the pandemic as a constraint on economic activity, even though it's still cited as a risk?
You know, it's a continuum, right? What you've seen with the pandemic is sharply declining cases, hospitalizations, and deaths, and that's great. And you know that should continue. But you know, you also saw in the United Kingdom, which has, I think, at least as high, if not higher, vaccination rates. They've had an outbreak of the Delta variety, and it's causing them to have to react to that. So you're not out of the woods at this point, and it would be premature in my thinking, it would be premature to declare victory. Vaccination has a ways to go to get to levels. It would be good to see it get to a substantially higher level, and you know that can only help. You're right. The statement language is evolving. I would expect it to continue to evolve. There's a lot of judgment in that, but you can expect us to drag our feet a little bit on that because that's what you do with statement language. It's great to see the progress, but again, I would not declare victory yet. I would say it is so great to see the reopening of the economy, though, and to see people out living their lives again. You know, who doesn't want to see that? And it appears to be safe, and I just would encourage people to continue to get vaccinated.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.